Hey guys, welcome to the Parrott Bros. I'm Dom.
I'm Rob.
And today we are here at the body shop. So yeah, our panels are not staying white as we may have hinted many times. So we have brought them down to Berkhampstead Body Shop, our favourite local paint shop, and they are going to be changing the colour for them. Now, we're going to do some more filming when we pick them up. Today was just drop off, Monday morning, so they're absolutely stacked out with
Flat out.
fender benders and whatnot. So they're they just wanted to just drop the panels off, but obviously there's no point in us filming it in white. You've seen it in white. And here it is. What we've done is we've masked off anywhere, because the fiberglass is an absolute swine to work on. There has been a few little chips. We'll see if we can get this one. There you go, where it's just sort of blown the hole apart a little bit. You probably wouldn't see it, but while it's here, they get to do some minor repairs, just a little bit of filling, and get it painted up so it'll be absolutely pucker.
What colour are we going?
What colour are we going?
Or is that a secret?
Oh, we'll find out in this video. Right, go on then, go and drop it off. And
Even got a nice
dropped
brew.
off. Even made you a cup of tea. How about that?
All dropped off, ready to get sprayed.
Happy days. Right, well, we'll be back with you when it's done.
Should we get into the prep work? See if they will.
Rob, I know you said about getting it wrapped, mate, but you got to be taking the piss in, yeah?
What? You don't like the brown?
I don't like the brown and the yellow. What's that all about?
What about this then?
Oh, yeah. Now we're talking. What do
Look
you
at
think to
that.
So that's not Lungaro blue, that's too light. What blue is that?
That is Porsche Riviera blue.
Porsche Riviera blue.
Oh, look at that, mate.
Oh, mate, get that out.
You got to be chuffed with that.
Oh, mate, Berkhampstead Body Shop really pulled it out of the bag for that.
Now that is one sexy colour.
So that is it a pearl, metallic, what is it?
No, it's flat.
It's flat. Let me throw this horrible paper out the way.
It's a flat colour,
Okay.
but
It's almost like baby blue, but nicer.
it's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
That is something I've always wanted in a kit car.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
It's a one-off custom paint job.
Yeah. I wonder if there's any other Riviera blue kit cars.
I don't know, I haven't seen any, but
If you own one, give us a shout, but I don't think we're going to get many responses.
no. But yeah, big thanks to Berkhampstead Body Shop for doing this.
Yeah, they really pulled it out of the bag. It looks lovely.
And if you need any paint work, give them a call. Check
All their
them on
details
Facebook.
will be down in the description, of course.
But
Yeah, so I guess now we can actually make this look like a car.
yeah, we can get the panels fitted and
Bond them. They're on
bond
then.
them. Yeah, show what to do.
And
with
then
that.
and then what's next? So I guess we're putting wheels on.
Yeah, well, get the front arms on. Haven't done them yet. So arms on,
Oh,
wheels
yeah,
on,
the front arms. Yeah, that makes sense to do the front arms, doesn't it?
and then what's next? Engine?
Engine
flying
and
through it.
loo, mate. You're nothing.
Flying.
Two smallest jobs.
Give it a month, it'll be on the road. I wish.
Well, I guess we better get the rest unloaded and fit. Where are we putting these? Because is this going straight on, or is this going to slide up into the spare bedroom while the missus is at work?
Definitely the spare bedroom,
Oh,
I
yeah.
think. Secret mission, upstairs. Side
Right.
panels can go on, the rest will go upstairs, I think.
Let us know what you think to the colour, guys. Would you have gone for a custom colour, or would you have kept one of the gel coat colours? What they did white, green, like Kawasaki Ninja green,
Yeah.
red, yellow. That
Orange.
nice. The yellow's nice. Orange.
Yeah, I had yellow
Black.
before, so black. What else is there? There's a blue, but it's like a midnight blue.
Yes.
It's a bit dark,
Just
not
yeah.
really
And a
my
dark,
cup of
they
tea.
did like a racing green, didn't they? Like the old Lotus 7
Yeah.
colours.
Yeah, not a fan of that either, but
But now this is, I mean, this you'll see coming.
this with all the
I don't doubt
carbon
that.
fibre
Yeah, yeah.
will be...
Oh, go and get an arch, quick. Have you got an arch unwrapped?
I've got a front arch.
Oh, yeah. Throw that up against it. Let's have a look at that. Man, I'm loving this blue. That is really nice. Really, really nice.
Get my, here's one I prepared earlier from Mofast.
Oh, look at that combo. Give it a little tilt for the old camera.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
That's lovely, isn't it?
Very nice. So we've got carbon front and back arches.
Yeah, carbon front and back,
Oh,
carbon
yeah.
seats. We got, what else are we going for? Carbon aero screen?
Anything we can buy.
Yeah. Love it.
Fantastic. Right, guys. Hope you've enjoyed that with our showing you our colour.
Our
Let us know what
reveal.
you think. Yeah. Right. Let's get back to actually doing some work on the car. Bye for now.